Hey guys, welcome back to the Code Account. Today we are shifting gears. Yes, you heard it right. We are coming home to the Indian market. If you trade Bank Nifty, you know that the first 15 minutes of the market are pure chaos. Beginner lose money there. The professionals, they wait. Today we are building a bot for the ORB strategy. Yes, you heard it right. ORB is basically a breakout point. Yes, it is a opening range breakout strategy which we are going to use now. The logic is simple. We let the big institutions fight for the first 15 minutes with the high value and then the low. Yes, we mark their high and their low, then we wait. The moment the price breaks the range, we enter. If it breaks up, we buy a CE, which is call. If it breaks down, we buy PE, which is put. So guessing the direction, let Python tell you where the market is going. Let's build it and let's start it with it. So first we will be naming our high, which we will need up. We will put it ORB, which is opening range breakout hunter dot Python. See that way to be Python. When you start with it, first we'll import our basic libraries, which is import y finance, as we always do it. Yes. Then we'll go with when we go with import, this will happen with a minor error over here. We just clap out. So first we start with naming our file, which is ORB. Yes, ORB is opening range breakout Python, and we'll put it as .py, opening the range enter .py. Yes, when we will start it with, first we will start with importing our libraries, which we always do. Import y finance as YF is our basic library which you always import, as if you have seen my previous videos. Then the third one will be import matplot library as plot. We'll get it as a pie plot. Then we'll go as plot. These are the three basic libraries which we will need. And we will start with configuration and fee. First we'll put the name which stock we are going to go to click. As today we are going with NSE Bank. Since we are going for Bank Nifty India, it is our index. When third and second will be, we'll just print. The next one we'll do, we'll just fix the double header. This is the basic and most standard problem which occurs in the phase, which occur in the code. If our y finding is not working, you have to do it instance, but it is clear data. It is easy to understand. Which with instance, this is just to fix the error. If our y finder doesn't work, then that is your data dot columns with equals to data dot columns the depth level values. We'll put to 0 for this. Yes, so this is our value which will unable perform data dot columns and then we push with get values. So basic structure for this in data equals to data drop, and if any minor event happens, it will just cover up all the stress. Only third thing will be, so now we'll continue the opening events for our basic food, which is, so we do it. We'll listen here about the first bit, and is the first data or iLog Q. Since we are using iLog because we would in data or previous or the latest data differ the three candles, so we will use 0.3 over here. Coming right over the next images. Where ORB high, then you go with ORB low, also go with ORB range. Now we just put values in there, which is ORB for high will be first 15 levels. Let's go with high, then we add in with part max. Since it is a high value, we will go with for max. Second thing will be for it. Second thing will be first of the levels low, then we go with lim. Since it is a low value, then third value will be range between first and the second. So we'll go with orb high minus orb low, and we will just put it over a dot, over a dot. This is the basic formula for it. Now we go with the next step, which is printing step. So now we will print the basic maths for the print. This line is to make the code look neat. This multiply this 2 and stick it there, right? 3 sorry code look clean. Yes, second terminality we just print stuff. You will print free stats over there. Let's go with this one. Since this is the opening range, we will just go with only the search over here clock, sorry clock, and you look pretty here. After that you do the opening this first sitting plates is the first 15 minutes for this one. The next thing may be half. This will be our ORB for half. We'll go with up trend. For this either is up. And you just say give it the name tell ORB high, then we just go with a regular picker form whose ORB slash chi, and we use close it with dot 2i. This is first called 2 decimal points. Yes, we use 2 decimal points. Next we will print f is equals to, then we go for low. Yes, so now we'll just go for down trend. Just we kill this. Oh sorry, we just want to do it. Now we'll go with it. Yes, so now we just go to that ORB low, ORB low, then we will just go with ticker stand right now. So we go with this and this, then ORB low. Can you input it in a bracket of 1 to L? Yes, here it is. Then our next case will be print. So we just go for wings still. Just search trail over here. Sorry, scale. You can call it scale is the making. There is not a single for scale with. Let's go with measure. Yes. We'll use this symbol. This is done. Now you have to close this, and then you want to swipe over here the basic maths, which will be range, size, ORB range dot 2a. This will do to get as the range within the lowest and the highest part, which will be on line quantity. Yes. So now the basic stuff is completed. Now we go from fourth, which is find the takeout point, breakout coin. Yes. So for that we will signal is equals to move trade sideways.
Like I will just put it over here. Market is sideways.
So now we basically show that market already sideways. There is no need call to trade us right now, and there is no breakout price. We'll put it as 0.
After that, we will check the every candle after every 15 minute candle. Yes. So I will check every 15 minutes candle. Check
Every 15 minutes candle from 9:15 to 9:25 or 9:30, because now the April's at 9:30, but we know that the market already start to show symbol at around 9 AM. After that, we will go with trading session.
I will just put it on the blind form trading session,
which is showing that there is no data for past previous 3 candles. So this will just correspond. Now we'll just it's the index.
For index gain, you can go with for index row in trading session.
So our row will be iter. You just use iteration for the rows and we put it blank in the wrapper. Since the error is gone, now when the COVID is the row, here is the stiff closing bracket for it. Then we just put it with the there. Curve high. Yes. So what we'll do is
you will go with signal and put it like a rocket. There I will just show you. This is open. We will move it. This is the graphic. Rocket. You'll indicate it as
buy call, which is our CE. Minus breakout. So is the waiting for rating card breakout uptrend. Yes. This is our one step. The second step will be
our breakout price, which is row, and we have used
and this cancel this stock service, and we just go to close symbol and we use close this area. Then the next thing will be we'll use a second thing, which is LSF. Now we'll use LF
just for row, so that it then close in the prop chart format and tell us which is on the high tail and in the low point. Now we go with synonym.
I will just use downtrend over here. So we will move it down.
I will use this by Wi-Fi.
And then we go buy. So if it is going down, we will say buy put over here, which is PE, and then you see the formula, which is minus E breakout down. Breakout down.
So this is the basic correction about which how they wish. Now I will just say here but break. I tried as we have already fixed. We just take a row. So that will show us a price, and then we just break. Here the user will here
there's an order. Yes, so we also use break over here. Well, the basic code is done. Well, let's go with the pre-strategy. Use print. F is equals to
strategy signal, which is just so.
When we use dot to s, no, we only to use dot here. And we can say that this is the general story, a general code to indicate the price. So breakout price is greater than 0.
We will say break out subscribe in greater than 0, and then just go with bid, which is equals to,
This is the money is here. Money.
you can say what this is shoulder price sold, and then you go
Breakout is
broke contract dot to effect. Then we will show and we will just go this is to clean the code. We make sure that our code listing
to make sure our code looks clean. Yes, these are the basic steps which you have done right now. So next thing will be you go with the strategy of visualization.
let's go with the visualization which is in the India trading style. Yes,
So now we go to come expert, which is to plot figure. Sorry,
what for that which we have to do it. Then you just put it figure size, I just put it
12 and 18. 12 and 8 for me, which is a perfect for my screen right now.
then we go with plot the closing price
So that we can plan the closing price and know whichever closing price are our plot. What's above it? Long, UAT backlog. Sorry. Make sure you don't do any caps over here. We can dead error area on data index. Then we go with data. Is just low so that there might not no order in the code. Then we just go with global. And here is pen done in the stick spot, and then the fill up, and we go with blue as blue color. You can go according to you and then according to my. So now we just use
draw here ORB yen, which is okay
opening range break out. Since you know the first one, that will not use it over everything. We'll go with plot at
86 span. This is the span because we are not using a line particular. We just say we are using a box for this.
We will just know why we will this one. Then we will do it or low,
and we're going with comma or high. Is that over the high? Then we'll go with alpha to 0.3.
Then our next thing, which color we will be. I'm going to use gray color. You can choose whatever we want. Label request to
No zoom
shift point range. I'm using this one. Next step 3D children diagonally.
as cell vegetable doing high and low lines. The first activity plot AXH lines. So we are given below on a line to be drawn.
So we'll use line. Inside we will set ORB high. Then we created color. I want it to be green color. Green color, you can use whatever we want. As I said, I'm going with line style. Which you line style.
I'm using dash I understand. Then I'm going with line width timer. Line width, which is around, I'm going to line which is around 2.
Yes, then I'm going with label. I'm going to label this as buy call. You can do whatever you want. I'm going with this buy call label. Sorry, just looking and I will go with around it. I have to do it inside that.
I will just show you what we have to do right now. I have to go with this one. If we
Or high,
and then we have to be at 2F system on the angle and just copy this line and paste to boundary just changing fuel stability from high to low. I will use the red color over here.
line width will be still label below by foot.
By put I will use it
Over the low. I'm using over below. I'm using the over below. In the next thing we do is grade out price.
go will you on breakout peg, which is in breakout cap is grade from them 0. You will just choose
पहले just breakout time.
breakout time right now, which will be trading session. Maybe we just is normal trading session. Sorry, is the normal trading. Sorry guys, just got a typos. Normal trading session, and you just close this and we'll do it using breakout pulse. This is done now. Then just say block scattered. Let me use all it.
I'm just using this right now. Breakout price, as you mentioned. Breakout time. I will go with breakout time right here. Says where confirm the time, and we'll go with dot breakout
price. But the next thing we go with is color, and we would gold over here. But you can use whatever you want, as I mentioned. But I'll go with S is equals to 200. Sorry, there's a need to use this RS over here. I'll start a pair here, but it's 200.
Then the next thing will be marker, which I'm going to use as car, and then I will use the label,
which is breaking. It is break out price.
then in the street a ticker solution, which is ORB. I'm going to right now. Sorry, I'm just going to use this as breakout price, and we use dot to us.
Dot here, and I'll just close it.
As I mentioned earlier, mention to the mention. Just a second, please.
So now let's move to the last part.
So our last part is basically about the plotting stuff. Yes. So now we'll just go with the plot stuff, which is plot outer.
As you can see, we will get the plot item. I will just put it. Since this is our bag Nifty.
Just a second, there is an error. Yes, there is there. Bind Nifty in Prado.
Opening rules. Break
out, sorry, breakout. So this is our out strategy. Yes, sorry. Then the last thing we'll do, lot is this move X label on the X axis, X label on the X axis, and we'll name it as ALM, which is the Indian standard for IST derivative lot Y label array just sorry now I to pay on this Y label not Y label, then we will go with index price what is the current time which will be fetched or vacuum via Feynman in board lot legends just put it as the log format which is LOC, and we'll go with LOC is the best show the best graph right now in PGS the best graph. Then we'll just go with grid. I will go with true, and then we close the tick alpha to the 0.5. Put 0.3. We can put whatever you want. Then we go with print recessive generating chart, and then we will go with log not show. Yes. So now we have just compared our code and we just check the whole code again today, see if we have made any mistake or typos, so that there won't be any error. You have to check all this line of code every time it is write it, because you know what error you have made. You just check it and go through it thoroughly. Alter going up above everything is going to be checked. Also because there is no error shown right now here, I will just go and check the code. We'll just first clear the terminal, and I will count the Python 3. So I will use that one and then name the file which is ORD. By one this happen, I had to rename the file. You see the complex name. I will just go with RB and then use /alhunter. Yes, this is the file name. Now we change that over here. ORB/hunter. Then we'll go with UI. You check if there is an error or not. There is a minor error over here which is on line 10. We'll just go there and check it. I will get basic typo mistake over here. We will enter it. I will just check each and every code. Guys, see, you can see that spelling is over down here. It is period. Then to take into my base one. I'll let it remove this. Yes. The next thing will do. Just let me check it. I guess there is a basic error over here. I need to see. I think this is my error. On when the next thing will boot. Let me check it. Just a second, guys. This might take a while or card. I will just go and check this tick. It's defined. And then right here, this is the error. Alpha. Reference 3, and the next thing will be where it will be line scatter. Yes, so plot scatter. We have made an error on the plot scatter system. As you will see that the left side is the index price, which is going from 5 months to current 50, and the bottom is the time which is in 20 index 100 type.
and you can see that public is
at 9 rupees spot. There is no credit zone between the Bitcoin dip range, and then you can see the sky, which is a breakout figure shown over here, and we can see that the buy all is there on 59,370 and the sell call was 10,070, and we can see that the breakout figure is showing us. I hope you love this video. We should see each other in the next video. Till then, and